Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Josephine. If you're a beginner and if you want to learn English grammar the more simplified way, then this is the right place for you. So let's get started. Today we're going to learn about words, phrases, and sentences. So what are words? Words are the building blocks of English language which convey some idea. Example of words would be book, table, chair. What are phrases? Phrases are a group of words that make some sense but not a complete sense. Example of phrases would be in front of, in a hurry, in the corner, etc. We need something more to get the complete meaning of these phrases. We don't know what is in front of what is in the corner, and who is in a hurry. In short, these phrases do not make complete sense. They make some sense, however they do not make a complete sense, and that's why they are phrases. And next we're going to learn about sentences. So what are sentences? A sentence is a group of words that are arranged in a proper order and makes a complete sense. Example of sentence would be the book is on the table. The taxi is in front of the bus. The chair is in the corner. Here, the words are not arranged in a proper order, so it doesn't make sense, and thus it is not a sentence. Here, the words are arranged in a proper or correct order, and it makes a complete sense, and thus it is a sentence. So everyone, let's recapitulate what we have learned today. Today we learned about words, phrases, and sentences. So what are words? Words are the building blocks of English language that convey some idea. We also learned about phrases. So a phrase is a group of words that make some sense but not a complete sense. So what are sentences? A sentence is a group of words that are arranged in a proper order and makes a complete sense. So before we wind up, I would like to give you an assignment. Which of the following is a sentence? Please comment the answer down below. 1 is chair, door, and window. 2 is in a hurry, and 3 is the dog is sleeping under the table. If you vibe with me, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of my updates. And thank you for watching my video. I'm very grateful to all the viewers. Have a great day everyone.